The Jewish Life Foundation is proud to present, in cooperation with the government of Germany, a look at Jewish history from day one to the present. Episode 1, The Introduction. This episode will give an overview of the importance of the documentary and various ramifications focusing on German-Jewish relations throughout the centuries. Episode 2, The 5th Century. This chapter will focus on the Jewish community in Germany as it developed in the 5th century. The prospect of a bright future for Jewish life in Germany begins the Golden Age. Episode 3, The Crusades. This chapter continues to look at the earliest records of Jewish history in Germany. The end of the Golden Age is marked by the Pope's Urban II's public appeal to the Christians of Europe to liberate the city of Jerusalem from the Muslim Turks. Episode 4, The Black Death. This episode delves into the year 1346 through 1353, which represents a period of German Jewish executions and the fleeing of much of the Jewish population to Poland. Episode 5, Schopfloch. This episode delves into the evolution of Jewish life during the expulsion from different regions. We dissect the movements of the Jewish people across a map of the region and use Schopfloch, a small village, as an exemplary town, which will one day encapsulate a significant representation of Jewish life. Episode 6, Post-Napoleonic Reaction. This episode looks into the reforms introduced by H.F.K. von Stein and K.A. Hardenberg after the defeat suffered by the kingdom in 1806 and 1807. This was followed by the Edict of 1812, granting equal rights and privileges to the Jews, and the abolition of the special taxes imposed on them. Episode 7, World War I. We delve into the First World War and how it affected the Jewish community in Germany, and eventually led Germany and its European neighbors to the Nazi era. Episode 8, The Holocaust. This chapter is an important overview of the impact of Jewish life as it evolved around the Holocaust. Episode 9, Post-Holocaust Era. We go on a journey of redevelopment of East and West and how the Jewish community that was left in Germany related to the rest of the country and the diaspora along with Israel. Episode 10, Germany Today. The concluding chapter will position modern Germany as a leader in human rights and its connection to the world, with examples of the fight against anti-Semitism in Europe and around the world.